Gusii.
Chitariki emerongo ebere na inye cy'umutinyo gatatu mwancho mu ligereria lituko ababwatani bedini yeke katoliki banyarako bagucengera lituko lya makendo asebirisia asabange babo banyarako bagweso kina gutebanga na ewiki enchenu yira chikobe kwenekya buranyareko bage ko basegeta banyareko bago kina kemoika ase chinsemo ao imena isko yorogongo rwa Gusii aragirensa Eyemo yabona mugoroba sentunde ko aligana nyarako bogusanga muranche so kwenekenga kwa nyarako kwemanyanga nyarako bagwateka kurwa kete goikera chinga kibune chinga kyabali kibaito bamangana maye bagenda tako baba kwebusura chingongo ilyo kwenekia buna banyarako bako yasangereria nago sanga amona inte bunalibo elimongwira nanda sege kagetali getambo muncho muligereria elinto nyarako batokumanyania amona inga nyarako bagwateka. Karibu sana inyoranga na bugusanga Amayia ya monemerobili Aimega seni kia Ndizi TV goetera ase mitandao ito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital goetera YouTube Ndizi TV News mwancho moliga na goetera se website ya www.ndizitv.net ulio kwene kia buna chibicha monelio kichago chira senchire boikira unigakoro kwa Sara Momanyi literiane ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngo kwa liga ntonyara kwa batoko sanga amonaye kuro mochaka no goikera omweli nyora botambeli tukolia Jumapili nigo ko aligani abagani ababwate obomanyi kurubwagi siasa obomanyi bwa emerobelio no bokoreri Ensa ya Kenya mwancho muligeli ndebanyara ko bagusanga amona intwe nageko gero mogoroba obono twanyare ko batoko mwaligani umogeni oitonyare ko bagwikira na me studio daktari nebo igonigo ar omweshimiwa daktari honorable Haron Abuga nero nyale ko bagwikira na me studio nyale ko batoko sanga amonere amanke kurwa ase siasa na bigo obokoreri bwe county ya Kisii nigare omumanyi oksiasa na chiko bagototebia mange nga ine e county ya Kisii yanyale ko bego toerera maiga yo kongusana na nabo igo mabere siasa yanyale ko bagakorokana ase obwango iganyoranga nabo gosanga karangari kiago amona intwetera se mitandao nabo igo wetera ase enamba ya SMS iyo ere ACTV yago na kwali ganete nyara ko batoko sanga amona itogo chaka Amayia Eyemo mwancho moligele kurwase county ya Kisii chingaki ababwatani bedini yeki Catholic bale konyara ko bago chengera litukolia makendo go se Palm Sunday nigo ababwatani abanyara ko bakomera na sevirisia bunekerenga ekemo yogo chengera lituko elio imedausis go se imedausis ya Kisii nigo ababwatani kurwase edini yeki Catholic banyara ko bakomera na sensem ya Cathedral Kisii na boigogo kwa na se morobelio oyonyara ko bagokora wanero musasiroti Charles Motari nigatabrenga lituko elinigo liria Christian atako bago so Jerusalem buna enchera Eyemo yo kwene kia buna onyarire koba egago chaka omorobelio buko toria mwanyabanto oyonyara atako bakogenda maminchano kogania kwayo moliki oito Mildred Momanyi anyara ko bagwikira na sensem ya Cathedral myo mochobo songo na gotwariganeria orobotiro kobatia
abegeno be kanisa yege Katoliki ritikolia lero nigo basangire na kubwatana na bamwe abo ensengima iliwekirana ritikolia Jumapili ya makendo go se Palm Sunday asomo chokisi nigo Father Charles Motari bwensemo ya Kisii Cathedral ara omorobelio oyo kanisa ya Kisii Cathedral na kwerera igoro yelitukeliga aseliko nyorwa chinga kikristo aswate Yerusalemi aba kristo bakobogolia amakendo korkia omogokono musaso gokorwa ase mejando beterete anene mono korwa ase abarai balenge kora nege kuba
asiri tukolia lero
tunyorenga Kristo na yesoete Yerusalemu litukoli na mono atengere tu akasasokerwa ekero baganyerete omoruoti ora batorie korwa sama pongo babwate na mono korwa semechando baroje babwate abarai abagambi barenge bebikuba abarai bagotumia chinguru kinene kare Kristo aso Yerusalemu abantu abange bakamwarigania na kitoko nyorange kare bamwarigane timba bwata makendo amato bari gotumia korokyo mogoko no musaso
nekero babogoretie amakenda ya igani go barenge gotera na iliogiri nene osana inchwe ototolie ase Father Charles Motali aganiria abakristo bonsi gotene nabakongu
nekere babogoretie amakenda ngotera barenge asa marigi goromono bagoteba osana ingencho yaye inchuo omotolia ototolie inchu masia ototolie nekero bagendrenjira kugenda bakagendera gotoginya sasa obonera sogosiani kiera bakarora obonene bwa baikeire kurwasi Nyasaye gwetera kumutoma Kristo yorengo muruoti na ekero ba musangirite ngenche yiga na itunko bere kinyoria kere na saba Kristo abakatoliki asensengima na mona se cathedral nga na intu gatotenda bako mutotala na Kristo na kero tobotara na Kristo tonyoro bya bwa Nyasaye na kero tobanyoro bya bwa Nyasaye na intu barubuna balia batoliru na Yesu Kristo
nigo arule okuboria gochiase abakristo bonsi kwerigereria buya na gwetia ebibe byabo chingakie chicho mokubyo omotagatibu na kubaganiria Amayia
ase igo asengakie igento kingencho mona abakristo twasoire omokubyo omotagatibu twerigererie togwiti ibe byeito twerigererie togosaba tomwariga ni Kristo chinkoro chito nga tochandeke nere ekero akobambwa somosaraba tubwenere ekero ya pasika ekere Kristo monyene akoboka kurwasa bakure nanda tobugima nanda to mentere botanda asaba Kristo bonsi tokoboganiria Amayia asikiga kiechi omokubyo motagatifu chakire obuya bwa Kristo babaikere na intutonyale kogoka tobosaso kajinga kichonsi asiki family astawo koremeremo nabo igastawo kwereri tukaseli tuku uya bwa Nyasaye botokoliye tiatokonyole wetera Kristo asaba sini mwenzi motu aromo kubyo omotagatifu muya wekanda tosasokamo ekero ya pasika kare Kristo abwira mokweli yamu
ripoti ya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi
Biomono muliki oitwa Mildred Momanyi asaroboti orwa senchira yobo ikiranu totigarite me county ya Kisii na Ensa Eyemo yoko banyora boroki wa kurwa se University ya Kenyatta banyarakoba bakobwatani wa somo basokano we paro yunyarakoba gukwerera aboroki wa ikomino mogosiro bugima bwabo ni gobono botukobokia rero aboroki wa be University ya Kisii banyarakoba bagotongia MS mabunenchira Eyemo yokorokia amasikana boigo ko banyora bagokwana mana Ndizi TV ni go aboroki wa bokurwa se University ya Kisii banyarakoba bakobulie wizara yechisemi nyarakoba koenekia unayabikire mberoberio ao na kubwaterana amne wizara y'obasombi eliyo koirania omubaro ise oyo nyareko bokorekana ngonyareko bago korekana nabo igo koirera basokane menge gokorekana ase chipara bagokwana nigo batebirenga nigo kwabeire ogwako konene ochiase University eyo ya Kenyatta magiga yo gosiria aborokiwa abo babwate okugane nabo igo kobeka omoki banyareko bagwekonya asobogi mabwabo bure 2, 1,
go. Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! Today, as comrades of Kisii University, we are joining the 75 tertiary institutions within the great Republic of Kenya. To say that indeed we are so sad. Indeed we are crying as comrades. The great Dr. William Samoei Ruto. We elected you as comrades. We believe you are intellectually stable to stabilize the issues we are facing as comrades of great Kisii of the Republic of Kenya. As comrades, we say that we have so many things which are competing to kill and destroy the life of comrades. Careless driving is one of them. We believe and trust that through the Ministry of Education, you are going to come up with new policies to stabilize issues that are really affecting comrades within the Republic of Kenya.
Yes.
Comrades power. Comrades power. I'm Obando Tyson, a fourth-year student from Great Kisii University. Sorry to Great Kenyatta University, we are really consoling with you. Tunaomboleza na nyinyi na tumejua comrades don't die, but comrades rest in power. Comrades power! Comrades power! Asanteni sana.
Mwanchumo ligeria hegati y'abamenyi korwa se constituency yabo basiane korwa sensemo ya Kiongo nginigo boigo banyareko bagwesokia na komomocha umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ase okomochore laijo bebo koba omokonyi bw'umugavana me county eyo kolengana barabonigo batebirenga laijo bebo tabwati obumanyi bw'oburai nabo igo mbaroro banyareko ba abanyangongo kegima suburai eliyo banyareko bakumuganyanga omugavana nyareko bagako ligereri boya elieta eliyo lyo mokonyi bw'umugavana noroboti omurikio itomirire Momanyi agenda tokobaga gotobwati ya chinga kiroranya rakobaro gwikira no mwanchumo ligeria donyara ko batogusanga muna ya senchira yobo ikira ntoligeria nyari ko baga korekana isko yorogongo rwa Gusii nigo omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto atebringa serikali ya Kenya kwanza negende tokobeka omokia boko enekia buna nyari ko bego ikirania chira cha magendro ya nyari tokobage koliera abakenya ukwana litukolia lero asomo sangerekano bwa masabo oyunyara ko bago korekana sekanisa ACK Bahati ime county ya Nairobi ni Ruto boigo anyare ko bago tukutera are gati yabara yabagena tukoba kugikeria emeroberia magendere serikali ya Kenya kwanza agende tekobage okora satebire ni garachi kobaga kwene kiabuno nyare kobaga kubwaterana amona barai asekerenga gyo kwene kiabuna aba Kenya banyare koba kwenyorera amagenderero.
And I want to tell you, I have no problem being called whatever name so long as I achieve a better destiny for our country. And more importantly, kama Nehemiah angesikia Sanballat na Tobias, ukuta wa Jerusalem haingejengwa. Kwa sababu kuna Tobias, wengi wanasema hata hii mpango ya housing haina maana, hata hii mpango ya kuzalisha chakula haina maana. Na sisemi ati aladwa ni Sanballat, hapana. Nasema tu kuna wengine. So katika hii harakati ya kujenga tutakuwa na watu wengi ambao hawaoni mahali tunaenda, lakini baadaye watakuja kuelewa where we are going. I have absolutely no issue with whatever is being said left, right and center. My focus is to make sure that we change our country. And I am very clear, my brother Bishop, in my mind. Mungu hajanijalia niwe rais wa Kenya ati kujaza nafasi ya mtu kuitwa rais, ama ati ndio nipate mshahara, nipate kazi. Hapana. Mungu amenipatia hii nafasi nibadilishe Kenya. And I intend to do it. And I know it is not going to be easy, but by God's grace, we are going to change this country for the better.
Chingaki echiachase omoyego yo nigo murayibwensa nyarakobaga koerera gati ebitambukiro bya magendero ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza yanyarekobage gobeka bosio asate birenga nigo yanyarekobage gosira sector yoburemi goetera soko enana obuyo bwerigoriri kenonyera bo ni goruta nyarekobaga koenekeria aba Kenya buna maonchorerio yanyarekobaga kobekwa sector yobachenu nachikobaga koenekingakera omo Kenya honyarekobaga kwenyorera anene emeroberi aokorwa ase wizara yobachenu.
Mpango yetu ya kuzalisha chakula katika taifa letu la Kenya ni tuhakikishe vile neno la Mungu inatuambia tupate chakula, tuweze kila Mkenya aweze kulisha familia yake. Mpango yetu kwa matibabu, na mumesikia vile tumepanga. Tumepitisha sheria zote, tumepitisha regulations zote, sasa tutakuwa na mfumo mpya. Haya mipango yote ni kwa sababu tunataka tukisimama mbele ya Mungu tuweze kusema we did something to make sure that nobody slept hungry. We did something to make sure that those who were sick got attention. We did something to make sure that our young people had something to do. We did something to make sure that people have water to drink. It is in the plan of God.
Ngati ya barai au mwancho morigire abanyarakoba gwikirana somo yega oyo bwa masabo ime county ya Nairobi no mugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja uyo nyarakoba gakorera buna oboteneri bwe county yo banyarakoba bokobika emeroberi a iri gosegeta na gosire sector yobo chenu asa enekirie ngani gobono e county yegwa kana emeshara gochia sabanyagitari sechinga kichibwenete na bwigo gwikirania egati ya maganyo asabo iganyarakoba bagako baboria habanyagitari anene kurase county ya Nairobi abagenda takoba bakogendera muno mugiro banyarakoba bakoirana asemere mori yo kaboiga bajumbe ni banyarakoba gwikirana somo sangirekana yo gati yabo omochumbe we constituency ya Makadara Georgia Ladwa banyarakoba gako gokere bitambukiro we serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nyarakoba gekoira na koenekia barabu bunensemerie kwa meria serikali nechikoba gekoenekia buna nyarakoba gewasio lya bene igati ya mocho serikali gene takobage okora buna enchira Eyemo kwenekia buna nyale kobage kweroberia heri nyale kobage wikirane chira cha magendro ya nyale takobage kubaliera aba Kenya.
So the doctors of Nairobi, you get your insurance, your salary is on time. Why are you rioting or striking because of a different employer? Your Excellency, what you're doing at the national level, tafadhali utuma wa madaktari warudi kwa counties out to the employers. I will deal with mine in Nairobi, and I've told them, if you're interested in serving Nairobians, because hawa mimi niko na contract na watu wa Nairobi kuwapatia huduma, tumeka madawa. Hospitali hata hapa iko na madawa for the first time. We're hiring these people. We are paying them. If you're a doctor and you're interested in working in Nairobi, be in hospital. I told them that on Thursday. On Friday, I had 60% of them reporting back to work. They came back to work. Monday, nimeandika barua ya wale 40% watuambie kama wanataka kazi. Kama wataki, kuna wengi wanataka kazi ya kuwa daktari. Nao tutawaandika. As you sort out the issues, if you want to be in solidarity with the national union, you can be in solidarity without keeping the lives of Nairobians at risk.
Tulisukuma tu tax, sasa at least zimepungua. Hatungeongea, haingepungua. Na hatukuwa tunaongea kwa ubaya. Lazima tusukume, rais atupunguzie. Sisi amepunguza sasa. Si makofi kwake. Nataka kushukuru rais kwa kukubali kiongozi wangu wa chama changu cha ODM, Raila Amolo Odinga, kumuunga mkono kukuwa chairman wa AU. Sisi kama watu ODM tunasema asante kwa hiyo support unapatia ndugu yako Raila Amolo Odinga. Kenya inahitaji kila mtu, makabila inahitajiana, na sisi kama wewe ndio rais wetu, lazima tukunge mkono, lazima tusimame na wewe. Bishop amesema neno moja, tukuombee. Umebeba Kenyans zaidi ya 50 million, ni kweli ya ulali, na sisi tutakuombea na kuona mahali unaweza songa, tutakusongesha.
Mwancho morigire nero morugi bomuraibwe ensere choruto diganyarakoba gagwikirana se umuyega bwo masabo ko bainyura abana banyarakoba gusiria obogima bwa basomo basukana bwe para kurwase University ya Kenya tumuyega uyu nyarakoba korekana ase University eyo ya Kenya takokwana kurwase nsemeyo nigore choruto anyarakoba ga koira rambirambi ya umuraibwe ense William Ruto asata birengense ya Kenya nigo anyarakoba gego Syria abasa banyarakoba kwerwa na kwenekinga abanyarakoba kwerwa nirasobogima bwabo bwa kera lituko.
Today we gather here with heavy hearts as we bid farewell to 11 bright souls from the Department of Health Management and Informatics who were taken from us too soon. I bring you heartfelt condolences from the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. His thoughts and prayers are with you all. As an alumni of Kenyatta University, I'm sad to see the lights of our comrades put off so suddenly. The 11 souls we lost were not just students, they were family, both here at college and at their respective homes. They were bright students, full of potential, eager to learn, graduate, and go out to conquer the world. I offer my deepest sympathy. We stand with you in solidarity, offering our love, support, and prayers during this difficult time. We are heartbroken because we have lost future leaders in different spheres of life. They were shining examples to their peers and the pride and joy of their families and communities. Some were the only hope their families had, as they had invested everything to ensure their children got a quality education. In moments such profound loss, it is often difficult to find solace. Yet, as Psalms 34:18 reminds us, and I quote, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Let us take comfort in these words, drawing strength from our faith in God and our love for each other.
Boigo omo waziri wechisemi ezekiri machogunga tia baraya banyarako wikirana sama saba yose egeti ya University ya Kenyatta saboigo anyareko bakulie irabune wizara mbachiko babako bwaterane gati echi wizara gati yabo yobolendi boime na boigo eliyo bosombi eliyo kwenekia buna babekire merobelio sekerenga yo keania eme basokano yechi para yanyareko bakorokana asobwango igo na boigo ya ireire go siria obugima bwa egati ya abana bechisukuru.
We have had quite a number of accidents involving our school vehicles and the universities. And Your Excellency, when we investigate and get to know what really happened, we come to confirm, that a number of these accidents can be avoided. Almost 50-60% of the accidents we have had in our roads are avoidable, and actually some of them are made because of human error, bad judgment sometimes, and we are asking about our drivers on the roads and all of us to be very, very cautious when we are driving in the roads, because we can see the kind of roads that is coming to the country and the families that would have been avoided. And that's why I'm sure moving forward, the government is coming in very, very strongly to tighten the rules to make sure that we don't have the kind of occurrences that we have had in our roads.
Kenyatta University fraternity. These are difficult times. The days ahead are not easy either, but you're not alone. As a ministry, we stand with you. The entire university fraternity stands with you. The education community stands with you. And indeed, the whole country is with you.
Dr. Honorable Arona Buganere omogeni oite maragoba yabono togo chikosanga amonero mwanchua omo ligerelia igoro yagati ya manga gene tukoba kolekana asobotererwe county ya Kisii gati yabo ogochorua kwaye omokonyi bomo governor nabo igo gati ya yanda mange yagendreta sebigambero anene elio ko amerelia egetambukero kenyara kobage koirwane bunge ye senate komorusia bisi omokonyi bomo governor county ya Kisii Daktari Robert Monde karengari kiago nigo kirabe kengenjo sana gwetera ase emitanda yote ya Facebook gwetera YouTube na boigo ase website yeto inyora boigo gwetera ase enamba ya SMS yere ase tibiago nero na bogo sange karengari kiago amona intwe emarogoba yabono togendare toskare tyo kwenda somo timoko mwingegima ndokwera na ntonyara ko batoko sanga mono mogeni ito nyari ko bagwika ime studio emarogoba yabono.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Gusii omurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenaine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotageto tumanye asubwango mono abunda isi reke nambeye asesemiao enoti sano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasuri na kubekora boti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana Amayia ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simu yao ime
besana ko nare ya burango mono ubwana nyina yoga nyerete kyaga roga nyerete mukiri no mondo korosbo naiga no silbu kuruga iga nche ngo gubi kyaga besana ko nare ya burango mono ubwana nyina yoga nyerete kyaga roga nyerete mukiri no mondo korosbo naiga no silbu kuruga iga go sanste yao tara ko nyerete yao yobis onaga ningo butora tingora butora ka tora rampa kange jete mpaka ime kai test yangu re unga ngwasa kire ayo chibiete mpaka ime na boli kabisa
omurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi eliobwikere abarigiriria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elioto gwikere gose otutalire ase chiabisi chito echuchira se nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe Ndizi TV obwenso bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikerundekerene negokorentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogo nkorbogusi neji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igoiko yenyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu vuomugusi oburemi nobonda n'omurubiryo bw'ogwesemya nakwimanya iguru y'oburemi bw'ekerero
asa abalimi bonsi imeyaliro balia Gusii nabeire ngo batebya nga oburemi nobonda naboigo oburemi nesiro nabeire ngo gotalia imeyaliro balia Gusii tumera n'abalimi ao asito gusangana gukwana mange obonda bwensi ya Kenya nigo bokorwa ase ebimeri ao gati ebimeri ebyone kawa echae gati ebinde binge
imanye oburemi bw'omugondo obutugi bwetugo na teknolojia yekerero y'abalimi bande bagendrete gutumika na kubaletera ligesa linene na Mildred Momanyi
igombwatie imeyo moroberi bw'oburemi nobonda oyogochera butambiri tukolia maine ensa yamone nusugo ikachinsa ibere chamagoroba ndocho koletera amangana mange igoro y'oburemi nande nigongo gotebya nga tigana irio tware oburemi obonene elindo onyara ko bagokora oburemi nabo gotwara ikigingege sinini kurinde okoro oburemi bosomete nande nyogotete ndagere yetio kebuya elinde linayo igwe obote bwoko yeria endagere yo niganeti egetunguo kore para igochigwerte nganyare boyekire chinsaga
oburemi nobonda Jumanne chinsa ibere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukuria Jumatano chinsa isano ni mochia mugaso na Mildred Momanyi
naro producer yane mbwati to ande baka somole mimbo boli na ki akora mabera yanyara ko baga gwansa iga
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.